This is the Seiko Chronograph SSB296P1, a rare and stylish timepiece that stands out in Seiko's lineup. With a UK retail price of £290, it's a premium quartz chronograph with a blend of sportiness and elegance. But is it worth it? Let's dive into this quick 3-minute review. Starting with the case, this Seiko has a 42.6mm diameter, making it a versatile size for most wrists. It has a thickness of 12mm, keeping it relatively slim for a chronograph, while the lug-to-lug measurement is around 50mm, ensuring a solid presence on the wrist. The case is made of stainless steel, giving it a durable yet refined look. The watch is topped with a hardlex crystal, Seiko's proprietary mineral glass, which offers good scratch resistance while keeping costs down. The mix of brushed and polished surfaces adds a premium touch to the case design. Moving on to the dial, the Seiko features a deep black background with striking orange accents, giving it a sporty, high-contrast look. The 3 subdials provide chronograph functionality, tracking elapsed time up to 12 hours. The date window at 4 o'clock adds practicality, while the tachymeter scale along the outer rim enhances its racing-inspired aesthetic. The overall layout is clean and well-balanced, making it easy to read at a glance. Flipping the watch over, we get a look at the solid stainless steel caseback. Unlike some Seiko models with display casebacks, this one keeps things simple, engraved with Seiko's branding and essential details about the watch. The screw-down design helps with durability and contributes to its water resistance. The Seiko comes fitted with a black leather strap, which complements the sporty yet refined look of the watch. It features orange contrast stitching, tying in perfectly with the dial's accents. The strap is soft and comfortable, but if you prefer a different feel, it's easy to swap out for a metal bracelet or rubber strap to suit your style. Now let's talk about the specs. This watch is powered by the Seiko Caliber 8T63 Quartz chronograph movement, known for its reliability and accuracy. The chronograph hand sweeps smoothly at 1/5 second intervals, mimicking the look of a mechanical movement. Water resistance is rated at 100 meters, meaning it can handle splashes and swimming, but it's not meant for serious diving. For £290, the Seiko SSB296P1 offers a sleek design, solid chronograph functionality, and reliable performance. It's a rare model that blends sportiness with everyday wearability. What do you think of this Seiko? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more watch content.